Wapo kag pagwapag-gwapa, kilalahon ta. Ari tutukan ta ang Campus Tour.
Sa halos tanan nga okasyon sa eskwelahan, ang beauty pageant hindi gid pwede nga malimtan. Amon gid na pamatud-an, sang naimbitahan kami sa Search for Mr. and Miss West Visayas State University, Putotan. Polo ka pares ang dalaga kag soltero nagpasakop subong nga tuig. Tagsa sa ila, nagrepresentar sang ila mga departamento.
The best and most beautiful thing in this world cannot be seen or even touched, but just fell in the heart. Good evening. I am Giselle May Obriano Hall, 17.
The man who has done his best has done everything. The man who has done less than his best has done nothing. Good evening, I'm Ranting Amano, 20. We are proud to represent the School of Business and Management.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Crystal J. Villar, 19.
This is Dara Luigi Cesar, a believer of justice, liberty, and union.
And we are proud to represent the School of Information Communications Technology. I am Wenji Conde, 17, proud to represent the School of Business and Management.
I'm Ramsey Timudo, 18, a strong leader from School of Business and Management.
Umpisa pa lang, paseksihan kag pamatsuhan ang gilayon sa swimwear competition. Nagpabonggahan man sila sa casual nga forma. Nagpatalbugan sa evening gown ng mga babayi.
Fine, flimsy, and
Kag formal wear sa mga lalaki.
Is becoming a king. Never been a king. It's like a gypsy. And I walk back down to
Siyempre, kinahanglan man sang tagisan ng talino. Bagay nga aragid sa mga taga-West.
Environmental problem is not just a social problem, but more of a moral issue. What is your reaction on this?
Environment is the place where wonderful things can be found, and we must know how to preserve it.
we are united because of her, and we must be proud of us because in our blood runs the immortal seed of yours.
God created us as our own image and likeness, and He wanted us to be contented on what we have right now. That's all I need to know.
Kag matapos ang tanan, hindi sila ang mga ginkurunahan.
Mangin madalilagon gid tungod sa pagbulig sang tanan nga mga sectors namo di sa nga stakeholders, ginikanan, estudyante, mga alumni kag kapin pa kamo ginapasalamatan ko kid participation sang GMA sa amon affair.
Tutok lang sa arangkada para sa iban pagid yung mga istorya sa aton nga pag Campus Tour.